and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chanty Fierce, and today I'm going to show you how I created this look that I had in my August BoxyCharm unboxing video. Today I will be using the Morphe 350 Fierce by Nature. Pretty sure this palette was made for me. And as you can already see, we're going to be creating this look today. The first color I'm going to start out with is this one right here. And I'm going to start that out just above my crease. Forgot to mention, I already primed my eye. Then I'm going to pick up this dark brown right here. And I'm going to follow the same pattern, just a little bit lower. Now I'm just going to clean that up just a little bit at the edge here using a Q-tip and some makeup remover. Now I'm going to pick up this darker brown right here, and I'm going to create an eyeliner for myself. Now picking up some of this red color, I'm going to blend that into the brown eyeshadow above and in the space between and into that eyeliner as well. I'm going up into the brown as well, blending up in there to mix the red and brown together. Now for the inner portion of my eyelid, I'm going to go with this light color here. I'm going to start that off in the corner and then blend it across my eyelid and a little bit into that red. Now I'm just going to touch up that liner again so it stands out. Now, using the same brush that I used for my red, I'm not adding any more eyeshadow, but I'm going to run that along my lower lash line. Then I'm going to take the same brush I was using to do my brown eyeliner, and same thing, I'm not going to pick up any extra product. I'm going to form a little bit of a liner on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to blend that out with the red brush again. Now I'm just going to pop on my foundation off camera before I show you how to finish the rest of the look. Super quick for you guys, right? Okay, so I just wanted to show you quickly that I'm gonna take this super sparkly color right here and I'm gonna pop that in the corner of my eyes. I'm just gonna use my finger to do it. Ow! Oh, that looks so cute! And then picking up my Hank & Henry Blickety Black eyeliner. I'm gonna start off on the inner corner of my eye, stop it in the center, and then just a little bit on the edge here. It's all for the lash, baby. Now I'm going to put lash glue on my Morphe Obsession lashes so those can set while I do bronzer, blush, and highlight. First, I'm just gonna do my mascara. Mascara on. And to warm my face up today, I'm gonna be going into my Tarteist Pro Glow using the bronzer Fire. Just going along my hairline with that. I always like dusting the excess on my chin, just below here. I feel like it just adds a little oomph. So I'm just taking this kind of coral color from the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette Sugar High. I'm going to use that as my blush today. For highlight, I'm going to go back into my Tarteist Pro Glow palette, and I'm going to use Strobe. The lash glue has dried, so I'm going to apply my lashes. Now using my Bodyography Pouty lip pencil, I'm gonna line my lips. Oh, my headband gave up on me. That's fine. We're done with that portion anyways. And then using my Maybelline Matte Naked Coral. And finally going over with my Tarte Lip Paint. This one's called Strike Gold. Et voila! This is my look from my recent BoxyCharm unboxing. This would be a really great party look. Huge thank you to my friend Brooke for letting me borrow her palette. First opinions of this palette, really like the color. The pigmentation is gorgeous. The eyeshadow was really easy to work with. There was a bit of fallout on my face, but not a lot of kickback in the pan. I'm definitely gonna have to try a few more looks with this thing before Brooke takes it back. If you wanna see more looks like this, let me know by liking this video, and if you aren't already, subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take it easy. Now same thing with the brown, very poppin'. I mean, I always love red eyeshadow. So, and if you haven't already, subscribe and